Sky Garden on an 8. 8. On level 2. 8. No? Ah, it's closed. Going to 1. Oh, they were going to SK. Oh, because it just defaults down to 1. G, I'm guessing, no. Okay, that must all be closed. Only this elevator serves the 17th floor, so ramp elevators. Let's go. So this is the Northstar building. Oh, this 7 G. F. Oh. We're going down. This card reader is buzzing every time you move a floor. So the skyboxes are on 7. All storage. Okay, so walking down. Okay, let's go down to sub basement, which we can't get to. Can we get down to the lower level? Nope. Back down to Skyway. 3,000 pounds. These are pretty nice. The ding is nice. All right. And that's it. Thanks for watching.